1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This is one building, its height is 30 meter, and one boy, PQ, its height is 1.5 meter. The angle of elevation from his eyes, boy is standing here and building is here. Angle of elevation is what? 30 degree. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards to the building. Now boy is standing here, now watching the building on the top end like this way towards the building. So his angle will increase. That angle is called angle of elevation. Okay, from 30 degree to angle increase up to 60 degree. Okay. Find the distance he walked towards to the building. How much distance he walked? Let's say the boy is standing at PQ and building is here, this AS. The distance in between, that is X meter. Okay. After covering some distance up to point T, the distance between T and R is Y meter. Okay, then how much distance he covered, actually how much he covered it, that is X minus Y meter. Okay, and 30 degree and 60 degree is given to you, and building is always in 90 degree perpendicular. Okay, one more thing, total height is 30 meter. This is 1.5 meter, then what is remaining? This is 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5 meter. Now we have two triangles. One triangle is what? APR. Two right triangles are there. One another right triangle is ATR. I am taking these two triangles because two angles are on this one side. This is the base and this is perpendicular. Okay, that we know. What is the relation between perpendicular and base? Okay, the trigonometric ratio tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. This is in triangle TPR, tan theta perpendicular upon base. APR perpendicular upon base. ATR again perpendicular upon base. Okay. Now APR perpendicular upon base. What is angle? It is given 30 degree. Perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is your 38.5 and base is what? X meter. This is X meter. Tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. This is your 1 upon 28.5 upon X. After cross multiplying 28.5 root 3, this is X. And what is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is root 3. I am putting here tan 60 degree, this is root 3 perpendicular to a 28.5 and this base is Y, no? 28.5 and this is Y. So root 3Y is equal to 28.5. What will be Y? 28.5 upon root 3 meter. This is the okay. What you have to find? The distance he walked towards to the building. That is X minus Y. You have to find out this. What is X? 28.5 root 3 minus what is Y? 28.5 upon root 3. If I take out 28.5 common, then what will come? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 of it. 28.5 as it is. LCM of these two is root 3. Then what will come? Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and then minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 28.5 into 2 is what? 57 and root 3 is here. Take its rationalization. Okay. Then 57 root 3 upon 3. Okay, 19 3s are 57. If you cut it, you will get 19 root 3 meter. And this is only your Yes. Question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. Okay, this is the building BC and this is the transmission tower. Okay, this is 20 meter and this is the height of the transmission tower. Are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Okay, this is the angle of elevation for bottom is 45 degree and from top it is 60 degree, it is given to you. Find the height of the tower. According to the question, you have to draw one figure. Okay, this is the tower. This is your building. On the building, tower is there. Angle of elevation from this point 45 degree and 60 degree from the bottom and to the bottom and the top. Okay, you have to find height of the tower. Let that height of the tower is small h. Now you see we have two triangles. One triangle is ABC, another triangle is ABD. Okay, ABC and ABD. ABD, what will be the height? Total height h plus 20 meter. This is the height of it. Okay, now I am taking two things. This is perpendicular. Let's say base is x. Base is common. Base is, this is base B. And this is your perpendicular, I can write P. Okay, the relation between perpendicular and base in which trigonometric ratio? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P upon B. In this triangle also tan theta is equal to P upon B. Now here in triangle ABC, angle is 45 degree, clear? So tan 45 degree will be, this is 20 upon B. B is your x. Base is your x. Perpendicular 20, base is x. Tan 45 is 1. Okay. 20 and then x. What will be x? X is equal to 20 meter. One thing is this. Come on for the second triangle ABD. What is the angle? 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? This h plus 20. And what is base? Base is common, x. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is what? Under root 3. What is root 3? Okay, here h plus 20. And what is the value of x? You can write just now x. So root 3x is equal to h plus 20. This is equation 1 and 2. Now I am putting value of x here. Okay. So what will be under root 3 into 20 minus 20 is equal to h. This is by 1 and 2. 20 is common. What will be inside? Root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the h and this is your answer. Yes, come on, question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. You have to find the height of the pedestal. What is the meaning of pedestal is? Okay, this is the bottom. This bottom, we are putting statue on this object. This object is called pedestal. Okay, this is height you have to find out. And statue height is given to you 1.6 meter. This is statue, and down at where you are putting that statue, that thing is called pedestal. Okay, pedestal gives the height of the statue. Okay, from one point it is given to you. What is given? The angle of elevation, the top of the statue. Angle of elevation, top of the statue. It is given to you 60 degree by question. From the same point is A. The angle of elevation, the top of pedestal is what? C. Okay, it is giving to you 45 degree. What you have to find? Find the height of the pedestal. Height you have to find out. Then come on. This is 10. Why should I have to take 10? First thing is this. Come on here. Perpendicular, and let's say this is x. Base is common. So perpendicular and base relation between this perpendicular base in tan theta. Trigonometric ratio 10. In triangle ABC. If I take triangle ABD, perpendicular is this, है ना, BD, and base is what? AB. AB is given to you x. If relation is given to you in perpendicular and base, you have to take tan theta. Come on. I have taken two triangles, ABC and ABD. This side first we are doing. In triangle ABC, angle is given to you 45 degree. Come on, we have tan 45 degree. Okay. Perpendicular is what? H. And base is x. But what we know, tan 45 is 1, that you all know. This is 1. Then what will be? H is equal to x. This is meter. Clear? Come on here. In triangle ABD, perpendicular is what here? H plus 1.6. And base is x. What is the angle? 60 degree. I am taking angle 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, that is H plus 1.6 upon this x. Okay. Tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. Very clear. This is root 3. H plus 1.6 upon x. Then what will come? Root 3 x cross multiplication. 1.6. This is first. This is second. What I am doing, I have to find height, no, h. So on place of x, what can I write? H. So root 3h is equal to h plus 1.6. Reason is what? By 1 and 2. Sand here. Root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. Yes. After that you take out h common, root 3 minus 1 will come. Okay. Then what will be h? 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. But you see this is irrational number. I have to take rationalization. Okay. Now I am doing rationalization here. This is rationalizing factor. Okay. See 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. A plus b into a minus b what? A square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1. Okay. Then what will come? H is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. When you cut, you will get 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is your answer. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Top of the tower, foot of the building. Top of the building, foot of the tower. Two things are given. This is building and this is tower. Height of the tower is given to you 50 meter. If the tower is 50 meter high, what you have to find? Find the height of the building. Let's say the height of building is h and distance between these two is fixed, that is x. Okay. So what is given? This is perpendicular, this is base. In triangle BAC and triangle DAC, what is perpendicular and this is base. Okay. Now come on. Perpendicular and base relation in trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P upon B. P upon B. So I am taking BAC. Angle is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to h upon x. Tan 30 is what? 1 upon root 3. This is 1 upon root 3. Okay, x is equal to under root 3 into h meters. Then come on for tan 60 degree, because I am going to take DAC. DAC, it is given to you 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base 50 upon x. This is root 3 50 upon x. So root 3x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 upon root 3 meter. This is second. Now compare by 1 and 2, you can compare it. Okay. By 1 and 2, root 3h is equal to 50 upon root 3. Reason is what? By 1 and 2. Then h will be 50 upon root 3 into root 3. That is 50 upon 3. 16 3s are 48. And plus 250. This meter. This is your